Hello everyone. Before we proceed to the main topic, here's the contents for today's lesson. 1. ICT definition and benefits. 2. ICT roles. 3. ICT terms. The word of ICT is the abbreviation of information, communication, technology. In a very simply sense, information and communications, technology or ICT, is a variety of technologies that facilitate communications. ICT is often used to describe the convergence of several technologies and the use of common transmission lines and communication formats to transfer diverse data type. ICT is technology that is used to handle communications processes such as telecommunications, broadcast media, intelligent building management systems, audiovisual processing and transmission systems, and network-based control and monitoring functions. So its aims are: 1. To give new dimension to communication. 2. To make the process of communication easy and interacting with the help of technologies. 3. Accessibility of information, etc. The benefits of using ICT in the classroom are huge. We live in a world that is moving fast. Using technology in education is now not an option, it is essential. Our students we teach live in a world dominated by devices and apps. This is their window into the world around them. From social life to learning, the digital world is where they exist. In fact, this will become more and more prevalent in the coming years. Here's the 10 ICT terms.
21st century skills. What are 21st century skills? 21st century skills are a range of skills that can help a professional better navigate a career in the modern workplace. 21st century skills can divide into these main areas. 1. Learning. Learning skills focus on areas like critical thinking and creativity. 2. Literacy. Literacy skills focus on areas like information or media literacy. 3. Life. Life skills focus on areas like leadership and social skills. Here are a few examples of 21st century skills that can be useful in a variety of industries, workplaces, and locations. Number 1. Technological literacy, information literacy, media literacy, communication, collaboration, critical thinking, creativity, leadership. Many professionals can benefit from learning 21st century skills. These skills focus on what it's like to live and work in the modern world. Next, the adaptive learning tools or system. Adaptive learning systems are designed to dynamically adjust to the level or type of course content based on an individual student's abilities or skill attainment in ways that accelerate a learner's performance with both automated and instructor interventions. For example, if a student struggles with adding fractions, a teacher might offer one-to-one tutoring or additional practice problems. Next, the blogging. What is blogging? Blogging is the act of creating written content for your website's blog. Blogging first became a practice in 1997 as a way to share information and insights, but has since become a key part of content marketing and inbound marketing. Blogging also a collection of skills that one needs to run and supervise a blog. This entails equipping a web page with tools to make the process of writing, posting, linking, and sharing content easier on the internet.
Why is blogging so popular?
It's important to mention that the popularity of blogging grows with each passing day. To answer the question, what is blogging, we need to look at the factors behind its rise. In the early stages, blogs became mainstream as news services began using them as tools for outreach and opinion forming. They became a new source of information. Good examples of this include a food blog sharing meal recipes or a company writing about their industry news. Blogs also promote reader engagement. Readers have a chance to comment and voice their different concerns and thoughts to the community. Blog owners update their site with new blog posts on. Next is animation. Animation is a method in which pictures are manipulated to appear as moving images. In traditional animation, images are drawn or painted by hand on transparent celluloid sheets to be photographed and exhibited on film. Today, most animations are made with computer-generated imagery. Animation is the illusion of movement created by showing a series of still pictures in rapid succession. In the world of computers, graphics software used to create this effect. A simple animation may be as basic as animated GIF file like the image shown on this page. A more complex animation could be of a human or alien face in a computer, software game, or animation of a space battle in a movie. In addition, animation is a cost-saving communication strategy. It educates and engages the audience through entertainment. It also provides real-to-life scenarios faced in daily life during learning, and so many other activities. Using animation enables students to visualize and understand complex subjects or processes. As well as simplifying messages and complex subjects, animation-based learning can also help improve learners' retention. Our brains can process visual information efficiently and quickly. Animation is important because it makes us be able to tell stories and communicate emotions and ideas in a unique, easy-to-perceive way that both small children and adults can understand. Animation has helped connect people throughout the world in a way that sometimes writing and live-action films. For example, in the classic Snow White cartoon, the Snow Queen is walking and talking while her feet are moving. What is this? In this form of traditional animation motion, the character is still but the viewer can tell that it is not moving. The next one is Android. The Android operating system is a mobile operating system that was developed by Google to be primarily used for touchscreen devices, cell phones, and tablets. The Android platform includes an operating system based upon the Linux kernel, a GUI, a web browser, and end-user applications that can be downloaded, such as powering your phone, tablet, watch, TV, and car. When a device goes from just working to actually making life easier, Android is behind it. It's the reason that your GPS avoids traffic, your watch can text, and your assistant can answer questions. It's the operating system inside 2.5 billion active devices. From 5G phones to stunning tablets, Android powers them all. The next is Internet. The Internet, sometimes called simply the net, is a worldwide system of computer networks, a network of networks in which users at any one computer can, if they have permission, get information from any other computer and sometimes talk directly to users at other computers. Today, the Internet is a public, cooperative, and self-sustaining facility accessible to hundreds of millions of people worldwide. It is used by many as the primary source of information consumption, and fueled the creation and growth of its own social ecosystem through social media and content sharing. Furthermore, e-commerce, or online shopping, has become one of the largest uses of the Internet. Uses of the Internet. In general, the Internet can be used to communicate across large or small distances, share information from any place in the world, and access information or answers to almost any question in moments. Some specific examples of how the Internet is used include 1. Social media and content sharing. 2. Email and other forms of communication. 3. Education and self-improvement through access to online degree programs, courses, and workshops. And 4. Searching for jobs. Both the employer and applicant use the Internet to post open positions, apply for jobs, and recruit individuals found on social networking sites like LinkedIn. Next is iOS. iOS is a mobile operating system for Apple manufactured devices. iOS runs on the iPhone, iPad, iPod Touch, and Apple TV. iOS is best known for serving as the underlying software that allows iPhone users to interact with their phones using gestures such as swiping, tapping, and pinching. These finger actions are typically performed on multi-touch capacitive touchscreen displays, which provide fast response and accept inputs from multiple fingers. The next is laptop computer. A laptop computer, sometimes called a notebook computer by manufacturers, is a battery or AC-powered personal computer generally smaller than a briefcase that can easily be transported and conveniently used in temporary spaces such as on airplanes, in libraries, temporary offices, and at meetings. A laptop typically weighs less than 5 pounds and is 3 inches or less in thickness. Among the best-known makers of laptop computers are IBM, Apple, Compaq, Dell, and Toshiba. Laptop computers generally cost more than desktop computers with the same capabilities because they are more difficult to design and manufacture. A laptop can effectively be turned into a desktop computer with a docking station, a hardware frame that supplies connections for peripheral input-output devices such as a printer or larger monitor. The next is online. Online, in a generic sense, refers to when an electronic device is on and connected to other devices, such as another computer, a network, or a device such as a printer. More recently, the term online has come to mean connected to the internet. In this case, either a person may be online when he or she is using the internet, or the computer itself may be said to online when it has established an internet connection. Devices such as printers and scanners are considered to be online when they are running and connected to a computer system. In regards to connection to the internet or other network, computers would technically be considered to be online when they are connected to a network or such an intranet. But most people use the term to refer to internet connection only. When a computer or device is not online, it's said to be offline. And last, offline. Offline is the condition of being capable of but currently not connected to a network of computers or other devices. The term is frequently used to describe someone who has the ability to be connected to the internet but who is not currently connected to it. When a device is offline, it cannot send or receive information through that device. For example, if your printer is turned off, it is considered offline and cannot print anything. Many internet programs have an offline mode when disconnected from a network. A browser can still show pages that are either already loaded or local pages. Dedicated email clients let users view messages they have already downloaded when not connected to a network. They can also reply or compose new messages. When a user reconnects to the network, the messages are sent. Many mobile devices also allow users to switch them into airplane mode, which disconnects the Wi-Fi and cellular networks to comply with regulations on commercial flights. That's all for today. Thank you for watching.